Girl, oh, me never see you no man. How happen?
What you mean by?
Me never see you no man in the community. How happen?
Come on, a young boy. None of them really look like them look good. All them I want to do I jump on top of you and go and leave you after.
So what's wrong with that?
No, girl, I can't deal with that.
What's wrong with that?
One big man. When me can say thanks, them can say thanks too.
Oh, that's
No, no, young boy. Young boy now make no sense right now.
No wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that if they want to jump.
No.
You can talk to somebody, man. Somebody.
That's all they want. And
where you going to find the big man you want? You going to wait to find them?
Don't worry yourself. Maybe find one. But I don't want a young boy.
Then we go out of port for them, right? Because happy a young boy in the community. I don't know that before.
That's why I don't want none for around, yeah.
Get your pints.
Anyway, say I talk about that. I don't see you with no man.
Girl, me not find the man that me want it. But anybody come my way, you may give them a chance, you know?
Just anybody, sir?
Not really like anybody, but what? One long time I not see you.
Girl, we had to come on the road.
Then our blow yes or no?
No.
A long time not see you in them place here.
Me say I want come and me go spooky, me go check for me. Girl, me find man.
Hey, you lie.
Nice little young boy, dark chocolate.
I'm just talk to my sister about it.
I lie.
Yeah, and she's not interested. Me
don't
know what to she. Feel life just sad.
Maybe I know she no want the young boy. The young boy them no want she.
But look, my sister look good. Why they don't want her?
But she look too old. She need to dress more like you, you know?
You know, I got it.
Yeah. But she dress too old.
Just you know what I mean
young.
By? You mean?
Oh, me address old.
Yeah, dress too old.
Old.
Well, them alright.
Fit your body well, you know?
So this not fit my body. What you mean?
We don't wear dress on here.
We are dressed well, you know? That look too owlish. If there's such a word. Yeah, owlish. Look for your sister. You can't dress more like your sister. And then you say you don't want no young boy. And the young boy them no want.
Are we a casketel? We a casketel.
Are you a sketel?
So because
tell me to put the car down. Are we a casketel?
Alright, no,
if you ask sketel, if me a sketel, you ask sketel to his two where I say mother. To out of order.
Can look how you address.
Me alright and me comfortable
but
this way.
Look like sketel. Look how me a dress. Look how sharp me dress me.
Exactly look there.
You pass sketel. You pass sketel. Well,
I like. And then
me want to find one nice, decent man.
That's why me not like your sister though.
Me I get your title.
Me disrespect her.
Hello, you have disrespect me too.
That's why me not go try to disrespect her. Cause me disrespect her, me go disrespect you. And the whole of you go just follow.
Cause nobody can come around and disrespect my sister. You're out of order. I don't do what me I go. Yes, girl. Me
yeah,
go tonight.
Yes, yeah, to make your yard. Hey, look like I just church to go, you know. Anyway, come But that's true. Girl, me not laugh. The way alone how she dresses look like she a church girl. You a church girl? You got church?
Me not a church girl. But that's why I find one nice, decent man. I'm going to struggle around here.
You want to sugar daddy?
She's a big man she want. She's a big little boy in the community.
Yeah, young boy can't give nothing right now.
So you know the old man can't give. You know the big man them can't give.
More better than the young boy.
I mean I tell you sometimes the young boy them mindset bigger than the big on them. Try
well,
that.
The one they run here, they not no mindset. Someone one big man.
So
you try one of them in here? You try one of them in here?
I never yet see him.
You must try one of them in here. Oh, you know none of them have no mindset. You try one of them in here?
You look so. Mind him there with one of them and that quiet, you know.
Probably that too.
You can't see it, partner, so they not no mindset.
I lie.
They not have no sense.
Because them every day they in
and
their
and
pants down here so.
Yeah. I walk and I look everybody in our community, no?
Come, we have to down the road, yeah? Me can't bother. Party don't do that down there. Me I go. Tired?
Oh, some babes, yeah. I don't even know if I'm going to come in him.
Tattoo like me.
I'm a friend them. This is my best friend here.
Hi.
Hey.
Hello.
And Alia.
Alright, Alia.
This is my boyfriend.
Husband.
Your husband?
Yeah.
My fiance.
Okay.
How your name again be?
First
sometimes
class.
I remember your name, you know.
Because
Just
a baby, you call me.
Exactly. Exactly. You can call him first class.
First class.
Alright, first class.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Me not even know some would up in you.
You know, say somebody me there wait pan.
And who are we upon?
Davy.
I lie.
Let's see him. Me there wait pan him still. And then time I come from work, I show me no credit for calling.
Me not like how you and Davy are rolled away now. Not too
Wow.
close, man.
No, sir. Why? That's so, man.
Me that joke me make.
Sure.
Then him
Nobody
that.
not close to you.
No, him name Davy.
Sure. Yeah, I see doubles, you know.
Me I see no Davy that. Me
Me
not see no double.
Kind of congregation this sir.
Yeah, tell them somebody I wait pan you can you soon forward. What you mean call you know? You no credit, bro.
So hello.
Yeah, but your friend look nice though. Me no mean in that way there.
That now wonder where you talk about, you know.
That's why I say me no mean in that way there. So not just silence. So, anyways, yeah. Nice meeting you, Davy.
Nice to meet you. What's your name?
My name is Amanda.
Amanda. Yeah, my friend, girlfriend.
Yeah, I'm a fiancé.
Wow.
Yeah, you so can go eat cake, you know?
No, so I need cake though. But too sweet.
I lie.
7 car,
So about
3 banana,
You're mad.
5 stone,
Not even pay attention to she. So what is your
3
age?
slippers,
no, so I'm 21 though. So I'm to your friend them.
You
5.
You don't want a man.
Hello, you
Just
not
me with the young boy thing.
She old.
Una alright with
Which
the
one
young
of them you
boy.
like?
You know, you not talk, can't wait a turn.
No, if you look at them too much, my head goodly hot. We don't know which one.
2 flowers and 1 foot.
So they
Can I come back?
That one
Yeah.
named Mona.
What name
And the
again,
one
Mona?
named
Mona,
Alia.
hi guys, I'm David.
Hello.
You know, why y'all put a man like that? You just say man nice. Me a child who come and fear is like, see ya?
Girl, you not here. You not understand. Me not want a young boy because they not have no sense. I want big man.
Not true.
Of course, we have sense.
Alright, that's
Them
all
can't
me
give me
want
what me
here.
want. All them want do are the pan top
And
and
you
Jackie
can
or
earn
and
it
not give
from
no.
them. You have to know if you earn it from them.
Alright,
Not
that's
every
so.
young boy can see him.
That may I say.
Alia was it, not true?
And she like?
No, I'm just explain to every young
I
boy
could
can
never
see.
see you like.
Oh,
I'm
shit.
my nice friend, the writer, so.
Oh,
I don't know what do she.
Me say,
Me tell her, say nothing for her, but come with the church attitude, you know.
She must sit
You alright,
taken,
you know.
you know.
Yes,
Take
you know.
it. Oh, you take it now, me never know that.
We don't know big on you.
I lie.
True, man.
How we take care?
I thought me, I wonder
That,
who take
no worry
care.
about that.
Alright, that's true. I told me they see I look on with the dreamy eyes. Somebody on there, they don't want me take care, but you know, look so tall.
Yeah, move sneaking. You don't like that.
I know you know me that's what I say.
And that the one that's also a couple of money. Now why you don't know me?
Come in one if you not just a good day so.
Me a child look a mad for you just.
You know sister no man not about the place.
Yeah,
A big man she want because she not here.
Yeah, put on my party this and I buck up in there. I just introduce them to you. Alright, me I come continue my journey.
Alright,
When me
babes.
reach home, make sure that boy straight to your yard if you go, you know.
Straight
And
to your
around
yard,
with
man.
me, you know.
Just
Or
text me,
straight
text me when
to
you
your
reach home. Text when
yard.
you reach home. I go there my yard before you.
Straight to your yard.
Not there in
Girl,
your before
probably
you
go to the
know.
party go find the big man.
Straight to your yard.
Alright, babes.
Alright, later.
How it is?
Come!
Jesus, they never pat me foot.
So you the pan, bro?
Bro, no, see that there, me there, so me I walk and see who them for real though.
You know, say look like a woman friend them.
The woman friend.
Mm-hmm.
So how you take that one the number? You feel me no know code? I told me can't read, not true. You feel like me no know code, but why 7 digit? Oh, I'm tear dog, a long time with this.
Cool, man. Still man. Mona, she says she name.
Mona.
It's time I get that one there, Davy.
Me see yes friend you saying taken dog. Me see yeah I go suck one at a time, but you not even realize a long time in the streets me dog. Me know
What's
what
the
going
code,
on.
man?
I mean, you know, that's not
You
that
know, say yeah, pre-war, boy.
Oh gosh man, Mona nice though.
You mean?
Your friend have a dirty attitude, I would take your time, believe.
Yeah, that one day I have to go get current. Now, two me having a crew.
That me see, but you don't look like for your woman know what going.
No, you can't. You're mad.
You don't look so.
You broke her up, no?
And he shot so.
You mean? Anyway, come on, give me a white, no, my youth.
Oh.
Wife, what do you miss sick, you know? Hello.
Hello.
What?
But there, why pray?
You know, say your friend me slap your butt.
My really talk me and ask about my friend and my face and me I chat to me about.
Oh man, see me sister, you can have a conversation with her. She's single, you know.
Hey girl, me tell you, no pipe me on to the man, you know. Big man, me want we have money. Don't pipe me on to no young boy. Alright.
So if they're young, you know, if they're young, and have money, you don't want them.
But
I don't want a young boy around you.
not
My
because
business if them
not
have money.
because me no big man. Me no hot like that. Money come and go, but love is forever.
Well, that money me want. And a bigger man more. I don't want a young boy.
Anyways, I'm a friend alone. He tall, light skinned boy I talk to.
Your friend.
Yeah.
Alright, me only 2 things in this world I know. So Jesus love me and so one day me have
So you don't know if I'm him alone.
I want to tell her yes. I have to yes. Because him alone I see him with, but I don't know.
When I like him, I can put in a link for me.
If you set up one word for you.
Yes.
So you stay so.
How happen?
Where you want to take your friend man for?
Don't worry about that. Him cute.
Me no know.
So what that say?
Don't worry
love
about
man,
that.
so.
You soon get your big man that you want. Don't worry about that.
You can't find one man
Leave
for
me,
yourself.
make me enjoy my life. What you say now?
You're not a good friend, you know?
Shut up your mouth.
You're not a good friend.
Shut up your mouth.
If you take your friend man,
You
I
know,
want to take your friend man.
shut up your mouth. Come out of my
You feel
business.
better, man.
Come out. You
Can't
see why
believe
me
me
don't
are
want to know
your
nothing
sister.
about me? You see
You
why
can't believe me, your sister.
you chat too much.
Better you take one man out of port.
Yeah, the boy look good. I him want and I him me I go far. You see, you got to eat it for me.
Me no
You
know.
probably there for why you.
They're wrong, but
If you never want me, you call me number.
You just want to get in there sitting.
Don't worry about that. What you say?
No can't argue when me gone. Do.
She don't know. She just want in my
Hold
business.
on. Give me some
And
other
feminine.
things. Give me some other things. Where see your mother?
Want to put in a word for me. Want to make the light skin boy know say yeah, me interested in him, and him have to go left the girl.
Me not tell him that. Me tell him so you want to talk to him because you're interested in him. Me not
Yes,
tell him
me
say
interested
left
in
him
him.
girl and
All right.
because yeah, try to turn me in a mama man now. You know, no man should give me so. There's no.
So me not give my sister.
Your sister no want me. You tell me say your sister say me not no money. I'm ugly. I'm broke. Only one of them.
A big man she want with money, but she soon get to she look for from the big man. You think
yourself.
this money alone you get from him?
Yourself. A big man me want and a big man me I go take a far.
Alright, we will see what big man I go do to you before him give you money.
Worry about the one where you can take from your friend.
No worry about you. Him look so nice and you know, yeah.
But I just get
him
me
me
clothes
want.
and
Stop him out.
after.
Come out of my business, deaf.
You know, I like with it all. I know you want. You want big man and you want your friend man.
Yes, I him me want and I him me I go for.
Alright, don't worry. Me put in the word for you, you know.
Alright, thank you so much. Yes.
Pick up yourself.
Alright, thank you. You could walk on me, girl.
You know, let me there, so away from me.
It's so hot.
More go meet my man, you know, more go to my man. My man
know.
away from me.
No.
Sure.
I see him, you know.
So what's so special about you?
I lie. So I could have why you want to see me, man.
Don't worry about that.
Yeah, my man in a thing.
No.
Meet him.
I'm a man, girl. Obviously, I'm going to meet him at some point in time.
Shut
Look,
up,
come
mouth.
on, not a long chatting, yeah, man.
Come, girl.
So why you decide over the bush part?
I shady man. Shady man, look and see so not.
But see shady right there, so
Come out of the people them way, you know.
the head are bother me. You couldn't catch it up. You can't catch up your hair.
Do you want to do, man? I do it over.
Yes, you want to, but you can at least catch up and make it look better. You just
Are you for catch up? Me look like cages, huh?
Me don't live in your yard.
But you have full access.
That's true. Anyway, we got to know the yard.
Just figure out boy your friend them, so.
Anyways, how you do?
I do. Me there go and use some Wi-Fi, yeah, so.
Are people them Wi-Fi yard?
Of course, are people them Wi-Fi.
Oh, say stop work and take Wi-Fi now.
Yeah, Wi-Fi them, yeah, but none of the on my phone.
Shut up, man. I'm about to talk to people argument.
Always know.
You just in my business, so what happen?
Can you or look for man and I be a fool in chat boy?
Oh, me you come look for?
Yeah, you be called for. Actually, you have a man to go look for. Huh?
No worries, sir. I'm so find one big man.
Couple nice man. The big man, know are you?
Don't worry
Again.
about that.
Hold on, give me a minute. Hello? Oh.
So, no money I chat to, you know.
Alright, me and my way, I come. Big guess what? Mommy just called me a while ago. An emergency. So, me link you here.
May I come with you?
I lie.
Hope I'm make call if you really.
Come the man talk.
So, you're not coming.
Ready, go on with the business now. My mother called me.
Jesus Christ.
Give me number, you know, call me. I want.
No, say I forgot to call you though. How you did save yours again? I did save you.
Yes, I you did
How you
save
the
it.
name again?
Mona.
Oh, I'm not looking but I never pick up your number.
So when you go give me a call,
Give you a call tonight, man.
make sure I come away panny.
Yeah, man, know about it, man. I give you a call in a real life.
Alright, make sure I go panny what's later.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Alright.
Alright. Give me a hug.
What woman see you now?
She not there yet, man. She not see nothing.
You? Alright, take your time, go on.
Wow, Changness.
Walk on.
Wow.
You know, long more find one big man like you.
Yeah, man. Right, man, for you, baby.
You look nice, you know.
Don't worry about the niceness. What nice is more like the money.
How much money you have, so?
Baby, any amount of money you want. Touch me again, man. Touch me again. Woo, God, me shiver.
Yeah, because I've been a seminar on a young boy around here. I'm there, I try to find one big man who can give me money.
Don't worry, baby. We can buy
He
your
can make me
juice.
say
Yeah.
thanks, and him can tell me thanks too.
So you live around here?
Yeah, man.
How you live?
I live up the road.
Up the road.
Yeah.
Why? I know I'm single though.
You single?
Yes, me just come down from America what day, you know.
Yeah.
You man pay US, me I spend all day, you know. US, on top of US.
So you can give more US and
Huh?
broke.
Alright, between me and mama. Right now, you know. Me not carry out no US when me a come on the road.
So you come with the US and you don't carry out no.
No, because me just come check out the area till me can find a single woman. But no, me see you, me will start work with US. So if you want to take my number and call me, no problem. I can
Alright,
tell you
give me
my
a
number. Ready? Me give me California number.
Yeah.
170
Yeah.
7
Mm-hmm.
497
Mm-hmm.
0653.
Alright.
You can't call me straight, but you can WhatsApp me. You can come on WhatsApp. You have internet?
Alright. Yeah, man.
Oh, come on, put on your monthly plan.
Oh.
Yeah. But
It's kind of still want to top up because it's so done.
don't worry about that, man. When I text me, get the number. Spin it on. You mean 340. Mama, when I say 340, I mean spin around so.
So you want me to spin round?
Shake your ass, man. 340. Yeah. Jesus. Oh, God.
So when me go can stay again?
All right. You call me later. You tell her
Alright.
when to link up tomorrow.
Alright.
You can. But I wish I could have carried her home, but too much dog did it. Be a dog. Dog pan top of dog.
I'm like a big house you live in with big bad dog, man.
Mansion, baby. Mansion. With
Which part of the
pool.
mansion there?
Eh?
Which part of the mansion there?
Don't some man. You know, them a place no come on to my mansion, man. I pay, instead of pay dirt there, so. My pool full of mansion, mama. Mansion. Big house.
Alright.
Yeah.
So we can see you later.
If you want me later, no problem. We'll meet up right here, so.
Alright, me I WhatsApp you.
Yeah, man. As you go home, you know, just WhatsApp me. If you see 1 stroke, you wait for the 2 strokes.
Alright.
Yeah, man. Twerk it.
Alright, later, take care.
Twerk your ass again now. Yeah, man. Jesus, sweetheart, I wish you did have big bumper. Yeah, try shake your flat ass, eh?
I say I become see you wrong this turn up a chat with me, but turn up a say we pay you.
Yeah,
By the way,
girl.
where did wrong this I talk to?
One big man fine. That's a girl. Him have money.
So you say my money now?
Not money yet, girl.
I lie.
Tomorrow me I go get.
Oh,
You didn't want to see you no for telling you say me I go introduce you to him.
so where's this daddy?
Me don't know when I supposed to
You know long me turn up a peso. I'll wait for one. Bye.
Well, me don't know she there. Me not see her back yet.
Me go check for my mother and come back.
Oh.
Answer me, mother no hospital though. Them say if it have stress himself, you know.
Oh, make
The
she
pressure
in
lick him
hospital.
down. The
Lord
pressure lick him down, and that's why
Jesus
me get a call. I have to rush.
Oh.
But he get admitted to the hospital still, so.
Well,
I
girl.
want the money that now.
Me
Jesus
can't wait for
Christ.
tomorrow come for me, but a big man, they come me want some of the money. They say a big man more. One nice
You
big
finally
man.
get your heart desire.
Yes.
Would I love to see that the big man there if you had
Yes.
tears. Would I love to see that man.
Of course,
Want
one
to know
nice,
if you have
big man.
tears.
And he have money and he say he have one mansion down here so. He say up here so and not like down there so with the mansion.
I wish mansion in the Salina.
I don't know when I see
You
him
ever
tomorrow,
wait now?
we have got check.
You walk through this whole entire lane, right? You ever see a mansion in this lane?
The man saying just a come back from foreign. So you know could not build
A
up a
white man?
mansion?
A white man or a Jamaican?
No, Jamaican.
Oh, are you quick to trust Jamaican man? Jamaican man are liar.
Everybody are liar. But me prefer big man them.
Anyways, that way I go call. I mean, I never back
And
in.
my sister me I go look if me see if she reach up.
Oh,
So come now.
come now.
Alright.
I'm a bridging ends, you know.
Over there we go.
Yeah. Yeah, we're no man.
Active now, man.
Don't tell her badness, you know.
Boy, one thing with you, my bro, you're sharp, you know. You come like me when me young. Just get him and tear him in a two.
Cool, no man,
Big up
that's
yourself
so man.
still,
I make you say, make you say, man.
School, man. We can't say that out. I'm like alarm in a
Yeah.
Oh, boy, it's a man a sharp.
Then you go kind of make a move.
I'm glad to see you.
Glad to see me?
You know, see first class.
No, sir, me not see him.
Me a call on your phone and you not answer. Me call him over 10 times.
Allah ya tell. You call him 11 times. 11. No call him 10.
Me not have time for that right now. Right now, I'll grind me, you know. Cause I yard me go, you know.
Yard. Good one. You know the yard, man.
Me a call. Oh, so no when then?
No, but me come from the yard. You know the yard. Where am I doing yard? You are going like you live on yard.
Then I where if you live?
Yeah, you man know the yard. You know the yard, man. Yeah, look so.
Because
Me tell her what to do. You call man on your phone.
me nah get him.
We cannot go back here if you not find him. If you see me call him, I must sit me. What? If he not answer phone, he will see me call them and call you back.
Me say something fishy I go on, you know.
Something
I
fishy.
must find out why now. And when me find out a problem.
No problem for me. Mama, just go on one back, man. Come on, I'm follow you go on. Come on.
No, me know why you follow me go home. Me know me way.
So go on in now.
Anyways, now come. If you see him, tell him say I look for him.
Alright, if me see him. Woo!
Hold on, I don't that, you know. Hold on. That means a man out there, you know.
But if me see him, I think me like see, man. Bro, you want to know, say? I feel me just see a while ago. Say my call the phone and nah get you. He say you want to go for your yard. Me have to tell him to go for your yard. Where man go your yard go do?
So which way there?
I saw me see him go, me dog. Me don't know where he go.
I have to go just go back up so you know like a shop I come from, you know.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
Go on, mama. See you done already?
You know, done it, but you make it code.
Oh, come here, see you faster than how many things, you know?
No, I'm not done it.
Oh, big up yourself still, man. There, man. You know what you think, go.
Badness, respect, you know.
Yeah, man, normal free son. Yeah, no friend.
I find out.
Believe in you, man. Right.